Why is the governor trying to go out? Oshiomhole, the chief, people are shouting Ole, Oshiomhole, Ole, Oshiomhole, Ole.
Before I went to SS office, I called all my party leaders to the extent to the national chairman that what have I done that will make SS to be looking for me. So he said, if you know you don't do anything, go and answer them. Really, I went there. After giving my statement, they see to everything, they now said I should go.
Tony Kabaka said trouble started between him and Governor Godwin Obaseki many months ago when he drew attention to the action of the state governor in allegedly neglecting youths and party leaders who worked to secure his victory during the 2016 governorship election. According to the former chairman of Akugbe Ventures, the governor has allegedly been looking for an opportunity to arrest him and send him to prison. He said the recent primaries of the party appear to have provided that opportunity when he and his supporters openly threw their weight behind Mr. Saro Obaze, who contested the primaries for Oredo House of Representatives against the alleged anointed aspirant of the governor.
Why we were fighting for Saro Obaze to succeed? Because the battle we are going to meet at the front is not easy. Saro Obaze is a credible candidate that can withstand that candidate from PDP. Since they didn't give Osaro, we went home. Because I was the one campaigning for Osaro, is it bad for you to campaign for a person you like? Is it a force? Because of all this I did now, they've ordered security agency to arrest me.
Tony Kabaka called on well-meaning citizens of Edo State to come to his aid and save him from the perceived threats of the governor to order his arrest and send him to prison.
Benin people, if you do, I bet more and not sleep. I not thief. The party I they work for, I be APC. So I'm praying to the Benin. Anytime they arrest me, I didn't do anything. Please, if it is Gary and Granola, come and buy for me.
Dismissing Tony Kabaka's claims, the Edo State chairman of APC, Ansem Ojezwa, said the allegations were unfounded as neither the APC nor Edo State governor has plans to arrest him. Mr. Ojezwa, who spoke in a telephone interview, said Tony Kabaka should not nurse any fear of being arrested on the account of supporting an aspirant over another unless he is involved in a criminal case. Only then can the police arrest him.
So it cannot be true. A supporter cannot be more than the other. If he has committed a crime, then he should be afraid. If he has not committed any crime, then he shouldn't. There's nothing here. If he has committed the crime for which they are looking for him, that is entirely between him and the police. His party, as a policy, cannot be harassing his own members by reason of them making their own choices. Have you ever heard where we have arrested anybody for that reason?
Thomas Sado reporting.